Make sure you clear any gun you handle for safety by pulling the charger handle back and check the chamber. I start to field strip the gun by pushing out the takedown pins that separate the upper from the lower. Then you pull out the charger handle and bolt carrier group. Before I finish the field strip, I put the solvent down the barrel to break up the debris. While that's it, I take apart my bolt carrier group. I remove the cotter pin or retainer pin, which holds the firing pin, and it should come right out. Now I can remove the cam pin by twisting it and pulling it up. Now the bolt is free. Since I'm cleaning the barrel first, I put solvent on the bolt carrier group and let that sit to break up more debris. So this wire brush lets me clean the barrel lugs where the bolt carrier group meets and pushes forward. I use a wire brush to break up the carbon down the barrel. Before I wipe the barrel, I clean the receiver. I use a slotted tip with cloth on the end through the receiver into the chamber to wipe the barrel clean. I use a wire brush to clean the bolt carrier group and wipe the parts clean and get that gold shining again. I use Lucas gun oil to lube up the bolt carrier group and lube the charger handle before I reassemble them. I also lube the trigger springs and bolt release and take out my buffer and spring, which mine is a silent buffer, and I very lightly oil it. Now I reassemble my upper with the lower. Make sure to pull the charger handle to spread the oil. Now, it's a lot of ways to clean the AR, but this one of the ways I do mine.
Ooh. You know I had to double it.
You better know that road, it get risky.